Watch this. I'm going to select the work plane. I'm going to put it on the top. I'm going to select these. They look invisible. Solids. And place it on the top. And now using this arrow button, I'm going to lower it. Next, I'm going to group that shape with this shape by holding the Shift key down. Now everything is selected, and I can tell everything is selected because everything has a blue outline on it. And now I'm going to group these two shapes. What that does is it created a hole. Let's bring in another shape here. And this shape, I'm going to move here, and I'm going to push it down into this other shape, like so. I'm going to tell TinkerCAD that it is an invisible shape. I'm going to select both objects using the Shift key, and now group. So I can change the shape of any object just by adding objects to it, intersecting those two objects, making the one object invisible, and then grouping it. This is a key function in TinkerCAD that makes it a really fun program to work with.